Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Fanduel Authentication code and basically enable you two-factor authentication. Now it's really easy and simple guys. What you're going to do first is you can either use the SMS text message. This is the easiest option, but you cannot change the phone number once you've entered this. So you go ahead and manage your method. So you can either use a text message right here or use an authenticator app. So click on text message and they'll ask you for your phone number. And then you input your phone number, they'll send you a verification code to verify your account. Okay, you can do that, but you cannot change your number after this. Or you can use an authenticator app. This is how you do it. So first you download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android. Open that app and then click on the Get Started button. Okay, click on Get Started, and then you want to click Enter a Setup Key. And then return to the Fanduel, Sportsbook app. Return to this, and then what you're going to do guys is you want to enter the login details and then click Authenticator app right here. Okay, now here you want to click the copy button underneath the key, return to Google Authenticator, then type Fanduel. Okay, type Fanduel into the account section, then paste the key into the key section, and then click add. And once the 6-digit code is being generated guys, you can copy and paste that into the Fanduel Sportsbook to basically complete the authentication. And it's really that easy and simple guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.